my name is Alyssa Lemieux. I am currently studying business marketing. My USF number is U91537421, and this is course number MAR3613. I'm just going to get right into it. I don't have much time. I get 5 minutes. So first we're just going to look at my dashboard, my interactive dashboard. I just want to show you that it is interactive. So we'll do iced tea. Click on it, and then it changes all 4 of them. So I'll get into more depth of each one on the sheets. I'm just kind of showing you that, it does interact with each other. Let's start with data source. So this is what we're doing. We're seeing gender, age, relationship status, the state, their preferred cold beverage, how many they prefer to drink, and where they prefer to drink it. So for the first one, oh, hold on. Let's go back. Let's unclick that. Okay, so for the first one, we wanted to see, for visualization 1, for each preferred cold beverage, provide the respondent's average age. So that's what we're looking at right here. The average age for, let's say, diet carbonated is 41.5 years old, just about. Let's look at iced tea. I love iced tea. The average age for that is about 43. Sheet 2. Create a map of the southern U.S. showing each state's preferred drinking location, favorite cold beverage, and average number of cold beverages drinks per day. So we'll do Florida. Our preferred drinking location is at events. Cold beverages per day is 0, and we like diet carbonated. So let's do Alabama. Obviously, big difference from 0 to 5. They also prefer to drink at events. They do enjoy diet carbonated, and their average cold beverages per day is 5. South Carolina loves flavored sparkling water. I'm from there. I can't agree with that. Let's see. Sheet 3. For each relationship status, provide the preferred cold beverage and average number of cold beverages drinks per day. So we can see divorce, domestic relationships, married, single, widowed. If you're single, I guess you don't like sports drinks. And then we can see married. Married people do like sports drinks. The average number of cold beverages is 1.471. We can do divorced. Let's see. Divorced people like unflavored sparkling water. They have 2 per day, average cold beverages per day. Widowed, flavored sparkling, about 1. We'll go to sheet 4. 4 is for each gender, provide the preferred cold beverage and average number of cold beverages drank per day. So female, male. I'm not really seeing that much of a difference, honestly, besides iced tea. I love my iced tea. Okay, so average cold beverages per day of iced tea is 1.25 for females, and males are not even 1. It's about 0.857. I love iced tea. Let's see, diet carbonated, about 1.3 for men, and 1.3 for women. So there's not really much of a difference. With the time I have left, at first, whenever I started this, I really wasn't sure how your relationship status and your gender really mattered when it came to your preferred cold beverage. But I will say now, after doing this, I do understand. When you see an Axe commercial, that's targeted more towards single men. You see the commercial of the single man, and he's wearing an Axe, and you see all the women chasing him. So obviously that's their target audience. So with this data, we can see who that person should target. So obviously, let's see. We'll try Georgia. They love their cold beverages, diet carbonated. So that company, your diet carbonated company, you should definitely target Georgia, Alabama as well, and Florida. We love our diet carbonated stuff. So thank you so much for watching my video. I'm out of time. Sorry. Thank you so much for watching.